privilege. What were you thinking?
You saw that 50%. I guess it's done now. I guess
The voice box can be interrupted at any time by pressing the top.
Oh, it's like crashing by me.
Oh, Jesus!
Alice's Restaurant is not the name of the restaurant, it's just the name of the song. That's why I called the song Alice's Restaurant.
Oh my God.
You think? And I go, yeah. She goes, we should, walk. I go, yeah. I go, you're not good. She's married that guy, though. She goes, no, she's not. I go, no? No. I go, oh, really? She goes, yeah, hang on. And I go, uh-oh. I see her walk over, lean over the couch. Hey, Coach Mason, Dan. What do you think of him? Oh, he's done. Well,
maybe they're waiting for somebody?
They're blocking the lane.
Okay.
This is my lane.
Now there comes another one. Well, you're sitting there.
Oh, the camera hit me. You see, this is my lane? You're blocking the way to go this way. You are.
What are you doing?